work. I thought early bird gets the worm. It's probably like 4 in the morning, still dark out. We out here. Gang gang. I'm so tired. That's okay though, because I'm not scared to work. I'm so mad because last night I got a sub from Subway thinking, great, I'm gonna get a whole so I can save it for lunch tomorrow. Bitch, I ate that whole fucking BLT. I had no chance whatsoever. It never did. And it knew that because it was just smelling so fucking good. It was like, bitch, you are not saving me till tomorrow. Watch.
Oh my God, what the fuck? Oh.
I'm leaving to go work remotely. Whatever the fuck that means. Yeah, I got a lot done. Like a lot. I'm gonna go in here and get me some breaks. And we're gonna put them hoes on. If you're ever talking about there's not enough time in my day, I need more time. No, you don't. You need to wake up earlier. Carpe on that DM, bitch. That's what I'm doing. Woke up at the ass crack of darkness. Not even dawn. The crack before that one.
Yeah, son.
You'll have to call me Uncle Dina instead of TT Dina. Last I checked, I was 180, which is wild because I'm not 180. I know that. None of my clothes fit me. My clothes are... Look at these pants, babe. Look at these... What is this? Pause. What is this? All right. Let's go in AutoZone. Get these motherfucking brakes. Okay, the brakes were acquired. Tell me why. Motherfuckers about something. You got somebody to put these on there for you? Yeah, nigga, you see I got 10 fingers? All of us women are not without the internet. Some of us have Google. Some of us have YouTube. Some of us could literally go on ChatGPT and ask for detailed step-by-step instructions on how to change brakes on the type of vehicle I have specifically. I wasn't offended, but do you ask every customer that? No, it's because I'm a woman. If I had a full-ass beard, I'm not gonna make myself taller for this story necessarily. I would ask a possum to help me before I asked a human. Now, why is that? Why is it that she would do that, one might say? If you know, you know. I guess I was just more taken aback that I'm not even going to a mechanic and you have the nerve to undermine my experience. Can I change an engine by myself? Probably not, but I could damn sure give it a try. I'm the type of person, I get a thrill out of the process. The process is the most exciting part to me. Let me see. Tell me what you had to do to get here. Maybe anything it was won't judge. 'Cause I only wanna get to know ya. Yeah. Don't copyright me, YouTube. I know I sound just like it. I tell y'all, I'm motherfucking tired. Do I have someone to change these brakes? Let me go back to AutoZone. Boy, can you change my brakes in the parking lot? No, it's hella high, but I cannot stop. If you wanna help, who am I to say no? Ah! The early bird gets the worm. If I was a bird, I would be a pescatarian. I would not eat worms. They just wouldn't fill me up anyway. I don't even eat gummy worms as a human. So I can't imagine myself eating real worms as a bird. Like, it's not the taste, it's the texture. Two things. One, it's hot as fuck, and I'm technically, I'm not gonna do the brakes today. I don't think I have time. It's for like 200 degrees right now. Who finna be changing brakes? I don't have time. They leave at 2:30. It's 2 o'clock. I ain't never did this shit before. No. Plus, Reddit says it takes like at least an hour per axle. I'm gonna be changing 2 axles, and I don't have 2 hours. Because with the sunshine, we shine together. Said I'll always be a friend. You can stand under my umbrella. Why did the universe put this here? And there was only one there. There was only one, and I got it. It was so cute. It was so perfect. Anyway, I'm here at work now. Low-key. It just helps me focus. That's all. It's just to focus a little. I may or may not have put my team on a ChatGPT. The stuff they be writing in these chats are so funny. Okay, so you know what I have to be mindful of? That it's probably really not that funny. And I think it's funny because I know these people and I work with them. It's definitely an office humor. Ugh. If you work in an opposition, it's funny. Because these dudes are very southern, Georgia boys. Like, one of our guys just loves ChatGPT. I mean, he uses it for everything. And you could tell, like, he copies the exact thing from ChatGPT. Yo, man, for you, every day is Friday. And not just any Friday, but the kind where the boss leaves early and the snacks are free. Why is your chat calling you yo, bro? Like, what are you guys talking about? Now, this person does not talk like this at all. At all. At all. Keep doing your thing. You make productivity look suspiciously like a party. I left my mouse. I just be so focused on like other shit. When I tell y'all I was working my fan at this motherfucking. Does it go like this? No. It goes like this. I don't know. Oh, excuse me. I don't know why I do that. What is that? Sometimes you gotta know when to hold them and when to fold them.